हेलो एभ्रिवान, वेलकम टु माई च्यानल स्टडी नेपाल। म पूजन बसाल फेरि पनि आज मैले नयाँ प्रोजेक्ट लिएर आइसकेको छु। आज चाहिँ मसँग स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट छ, यो चाहिँ ब्लाइन्ड पर्सन स्टिक हो। यो यस्तो चमत्कार लट्ठी छ जसको मद्दतले चाहिँ अन्धो मान्छेले आफूले यो लट्ठी प्रयोग गरेर अगाडि भएको हरेक अब्स्ट्याकलहरू थाहा पाउन सक्छ। यो चाहिँ कुनै अब्स्ट्याकल आयो भने आफै कराउन सुरु गर्छ, अनि कराइसकेपछि अन्धो मान्छेले थाहा पाउँछ कि अगाडि के अब्स्ट्याकल छ र उसले बाटो चेन्ज गर्छ। यसको बारेमा मैले पुरै डिटेलमा भिडियो यो ट्युटोरियलमा हालेको छु। यो भिडियो चाहिँ अन्तिमसम्म हेर्न नभुल्नु होला। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द भिडियो। Okay, so take a Arduino Uno. You need this Arduino Uno for this project. So now take a long bar which is about 3 feet long. This I need as a stick. Okay, now glue this Arduino in this stick by the help of glue gun. Okay, I glue like such so that I can keep program from here. Now I have a buzzer. I will connect this buzzer in this Arduino as shown in the given diagram. As I need large number of ground pin here, so due to the help of this wire I can connect many number of ground pin in this Arduino. So I am going to connect this port in ground. Okay, now I am connecting this buzzer as shown in the diagram. Positive in pin number 8 and negative in ground. Now I glue this buzzer in this stick. Now take a ultrasonic sensor. Okay, this one is ultrasonic sensor and I have connected 4 jumper wire in this ultrasonic sensor. Now I am going to connect this ultrasonic sensor in this Arduino as shown in the diagram, one by one. Ground to ground, positive to 5 volt. And the remaining pin is shown in the diagram. Now I am gluing this ultrasonic sensor in this ultrasonic sensor holder so that I can use this in the servo port. Okay, now I am taking one servo motor including 3 male to male pin so that I can easily connect this servo motor in this Arduino. So I am connecting these 3 pin in the servo motor as shown in the diagram. You can see the diagram and you can connect it easily. It's like such. I am connecting this. I am connecting the servo motor pin number 11 and 1 in 5 volt. And the remaining 1 wire in a ground. Now I am pasting this servo motor in this stick by the help of glue gun. Now I am attaching this ultrasonic sensor in this servo motor. So I have connected my ultrasonic sensor in this servo motor like such. So now take 100 meter long wire so that you can connect this wire with battery and Arduino. This pin I will keep in the Arduino, this in a voltage in pin and this in a ground pin. So let's connect this in a voltage in pin. Okay, it is here. Voltage in pin and this one pin in a ground. Now insert this wire inside the pipe so that I can connect this wire from the next terminal to the battery. Now it is the time to upload the program. So insert this port inside the Arduino. Okay, Now insert this port inside the PC so that you can upload the code in this Arduino. The code is given in the description. You can download from there and you can use it. Now take out this and connect this Arduino with the battery. So I have the battery wire here and the wire from the Arduino here. Now I am going to connect the red and red wire together and black wire together. And our project is ready. So you can see here it is working. Now I'm going to demonstrate this.
What the fuck? I wanna follow where she goes.